Good morning and good afternoon to every people who's watching the video, and welcome back to our channel One to Step, where we post tutorial videos. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can add best friend on your Snapchat or add someone to your best friends on your friend list. Now this is not as simple as you guys think. Like, you can't just click on somebody's name and they're gonna be added to your best friends list on Snapchat. There are some things you need to do in order to put somebody on your friends list, or in another word, there are some actions you need to perform in order to keep that person on your best friends list. So for an example, let's say you guys need to send each other snaps every single day, and the person needs to send you a snap and you need to send that person a snap in order to maintain the snap streak. If you know what that is, then basically in order for like the person to be added to your friend list, you need to do that as well. First thing, you need to send that person a snap and that person needs to send you a snap. And remember, you need to also message each other and you need to send each other snap pretty frequently. What I'm trying to say is, the most snap you send on your friend list. So over here, so for an example, let's say I want to make Badal Oli my best friend, or I want to add him on my best friends list. I need to send him snaps every single day and maintain my snap streak, as well as I need to send him more snap than other people. So let's say I send every other on my friend list 1 snap a day. I need to send Badal Oli at least 2 snap. And what this is gonna make Snapchat think is, okay, so I'm more best friend with Badal Oli because all the other friends I only send 1 snap, but Badal Oli I send him 2 snap or 3 snap or 4 snap, just like this, which is gonna make Badal Oli the top priority on my Snapchat. And Badal Oli also needs to do that. He needs to make me the top priority, which is gonna make Snapchat think, alright, these both are best friend. And there's gonna be a little, emoji right beside your friend's name. And there's different kind of emoji. For Super BFF, it's gonna show you this heart looking emoji over here. So if you get this heart looking emoji, it's gonna get Super BFF. And if you get 1 heart emoji, you're gonna get BFF. If you get the yellow emoji, you're gonna be besties. If you get a smiley emoji, you're gonna be BFs. If you get this emoji, you're gonna be mutual besties. If you get this emoji, you're gonna be mutual BFS. And for fire, it's snap streak. So that's basically like how we guys can add a friend on your Snapchat on your best friends list. In order for these emojis to appear on your friend's name, you need to send each other snaps frequently and more than other people. All right, so just hope you guys understand. If you guys didn't understand any part, you can comment down below. I'll answer you guys. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our channel.